Welcome to the ultimate guide on present perfect tense. In this video, we are covering everything from sentence structure and daily use examples to tricky differences like since versus for and present perfect versus simple past. Plus, we have got a fun quiz, conversation practice, and tips for formal speaking like job interviews. So, grab a notebook and let's level up your English step by step. What is present perfect tense? The present perfect tense connects the past to the present. It's used for experiences, changes over time, recent actions, or situations that continue. Structure of present perfect tense: subject plus have or has plus past participle, that is, third form of the verb. For example, I have eaten lunch. Let's discuss 5 affirmative sentences in present perfect tense. Use this to talk about completed actions with present relevance. For example, I have finished my homework. She has visited London. We have watched that movie. They have cleaned the house. He has started a new job. Negative sentences in present perfect tense. Use have not or has not to make it negative. For example, I haven't seen that film. He hasn't called today. She hasn't eaten anything. They haven't arrived yet. We haven't finished the task. How to ask questions in present perfect tense. First, let's discuss the structure. Have or has plus subject plus past participle. Examples are: have you eaten? Has he studied? Have they arrived? Perfect for starting conversations or checking actions. Present perfect versus simple past. Present perfect is used with unspecified time, recent connected to now. For example, I have lost my keys. And simple past is used at specific time and for finished action. For example, I lost my keys yesterday. Use present perfect for when is not important. It's quiz time. Can you identify the tense? She has never traveled abroad. We watched a movie. They have painted the room. Comment how many you got the right. Daily use sentences in present perfect tense. I have already eaten. She has just left the room. We have lived here for 5 years. He has broken his phone. I have lost my wallet. Now let's discuss when to use present perfect tense. It is used for past action affecting present, for life experiences, time expressions, just, already, yet, ever, never. Since versus for. Since is used for the starting point. For example, I have lived here since 2018. And for is used for duration. I have lived here for 5 years. Since is for specific date and for is used for the length of time. Classroom examples for beginners. Have you done your homework? Yes, I have completed it. Has she cleaned the board. They have answered all questions. What are the common mistakes in present perfect tense? I have went to school is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is I have gone to school because the past participle of go is gone. He have done it is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is he has done it because we use has with he. Other common mistakes are using wrong verb form, mixing with simple past, and using time markers incorrectly. For example, yesterday. Okay, how can you use present perfect in job interviews? Example sentences are I have worked as a lab assistant for 3 years. I have completed a training in digital marketing. I have handled customer complaints regularly. Use it to show achievements and experiences. Now let's discuss have versus has in present perfect tense. We use have with pronoun I, you, we, and they. And we use has with he, she, it. Easy trick to remember, we use has with singular and have with plural. Now I will tell you a mini story using present perfect tense. Listen it carefully. Sarah has traveled to 5 countries. She has met people from different cultures and learned new languages. Recently, she has started writing a blog about her journey. It's a conversation practice sentence. Have you seen the new movie? Yes, I have seen it twice. Has John come back from vacation? No, he hasn't returned yet. Practice your own conversation in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you finally understand and use the present perfect tense with confidence. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And let me in the comments which topic should I cover next. Until then, keep practicing and keep growing. See you in the next video.